Hello everybody, my name is Hamid Ghulamrezai or Hamid Ghulamreza. Welcome to this lesson. I'm from Vray Architecture Academy. We have three different qualities to download this material: 2K, 4K, 8K. 8K has a very high resolution and a very large volume. For example, this material is 325 megabytes. Loading this material during rendering will greatly increase the rendering time. To use this quality, the amount of system RAM must be very high. 8 quality is not recommended for architecture simulation. This quality is usually used for rendering special products. 4K quality is almost high quality and has a high resolution. In architectural simulation, it's usually used for material that is close to the camera or that covers a large area of the project. If you use 4K quality for all materials, the rendering time will greatly increase. 2K quality is enough for architectural materials. There are settings that you can change before downloading, but we don't need to change anything and leave it in default mode.